Okay, so Starlink just arrived today, and what we're looking at is the Starlink standard kit, and you can see SpaceX right there, Starlink, and of course SpaceX address. And let's begin the unboxing by cutting these. Nice packaging as expected, and I think what we're looking at right here is the base for the satellite dish, and this is the Starlink satellite itself right here. A bit dusty. We'll set this aside for now. I guess this is the sort of router for the yeah, it says right there, Starlink router. And are these stickers? Yo, these are stickers. It's very cool. Power cable for the router, and this is the entire cable for the satellite dish, which uses a proprietary connector. I'll set this aside. Some documentation. That's pretty much everything. Okay. So I guess these are instructions on how to use Starlink. And I'm guessing you just install it like this. There we go. So that's the Starlink unit itself, plus the router, which is actually quite heavy. And that is it for the unboxing.